Starting out on YouTube will have you searching tons of videos to answer the simple question, how to start a YouTube channel. But it doesn't matter how many videos that I watch or how many training sessions that a client goes through before we're working together. They all have three things in common, and I'm going to show you those three things you need to take out of your YouTube videos and stop doing if you want to grow your channel. Overstuffing. Overstuffing your content is hurting your videos. Your actual stuff may be good, but it's just like Thanksgiving meals. They're good on the day, maybe the day after, but they're definitely not something you want to eat 4 weeks in a row. To get the right balance of content, you need to be asking yourself only two questions. What's the main point to this video? I ask myself this whether I'm recording the video, planning the video, or editing the video, or sending it off to be edited by my team. The thing is that if we're going through that content and there's something in there that takes away from the overall main reason people clicked on the video, it comes out. Even if it's something that I found valuable, it may not be something that's valuable to the reason why somebody would click on this video to begin with. So it goes. The second thing that you want to watch for is honestly ask the question, what's the best way to deliver this content? It's not whatever my personal comfort is going to be. It's going to be what's going to best deliver this for that viewer, because you're thinking about the viewer instead of just doing whatever's the quickest way to make a video. The second thing that you want to take out of your videos is the fluff. Anytime that you're going to ask yourself that main question of what's the point of this video, it's so that you can have an objective view when you're looking at your content. They're so cute at that age. Especially when you're early on creating stuff, you get romanticized about the idea of what you're sharing and how many people it's going to help, when in fact you won't know exactly how many people your content is going to help until you actually post it. Quick pro tip, if you're trying to figure out how to actually cut the fluff, maybe you feel like everything is important, don't record it to begin with. When you're going through the planning phase, use bullet points. Bullet points make you just only have to think about one simple sentence of how you can make that statement. If the way you're explaining it gets to be too complex, then you probably want to dial it back a little bit. It's also really good to know your examples ahead of time. Don't come up with the examples in the middle of recording. Already have that stuff together before you sit down to do the job. Which leads us into the third thing you need to start taking out of your videos, which is stop trying to talk through and figure out the answer and just get to the answer. Most of the time when people are sitting down to come up with a video, that idea, they know what the overall topic is, but they actually don't know what the actual bullet points are. They don't know tip 1, 2, and 3 and what those definitive names are. They don't know the examples that they want to give. So in the middle of recording the video, they're literally actually figuring it out in real time instead of knowing exactly what they want to say, the exact examples, so that you know exactly when to stop. So here's that pro tip that I promised that would actually help make editing that much easier. When you're sitting down to record, you need to start implementing what I have called the smile and hold method. My smile and hold method has saved me a ton of time simply because you smile, hold that smile for about 2 to 3 seconds, and then you say what you're going to say in about statement or fragments, and then you smile, hold that smile at the end so that you have space to actually make adjustments for the editing. I didn't know this when I was first getting started. It's something that I learned and developed over time to make it easier. Isn't that right, future me? Yes, actually, she does a pretty good job, that Diana. She's all right in my book. Had a coffee problem though. But I can hear you, jerk. Oh. There's actually one key metric that you absolutely want to know how to do when you're first getting started. And it's not something that you have to wait to learn how to do, but it's something you want to implement now. If you want to start learning how to boost your channel so you actually keep viewers' attention, make sure you click on the video on the screen. It's going to make the difference in growing your channel.